Our craft for shoemaking has always placed great emphasis on detail, together with our continuing goal for constant improvement. It takes special skills to manufacture shoes of compelling fit and quality. Over the course of time, Caprice continues to strive towards such perfection. We have been manufacturing shoes for 3 generations, and it is our passion which makes us unique. Based in the German shoe metropolis of Pirmasens, Caprice is recognized as one of the leading manufacturers of ladies' shoes throughout Europe. We are a traditional company in motion, always on the lookout for new solutions in a changing world. Beauty evolves from detail. Our designers are influenced by the latest fashion trends to inspire our customers worldwide. We believe in investing in the future. That's why Caprice is a solid partner of the retail trade. Networking our international production sites makes it possible for us to optimize production processes in real time. Progress means breaking rules. New standards are continuously being developed to meet our high demands. Cutting-edge 3D technologies, together with decades of experience, are combined in the inspiration of timeless shoe creations. We are focused on innovation. Our aspiration is always to perform a bit better than the others, and you can feel the difference. In times of uncertainty, we make a quality promise you can rely on. Today, our shoes are being sold in more than 40 countries around the globe. Spreading our vision and dedication helps in changing the world, step by step. For we are Caprice.